if you see the way dollar behaved from 2021 onwards, sorry, from 2022 onwards, euro crashed obviously from 1.14 odd levels to beyond 0.95 levels because of the continuous hawkishness. Now that that expectation is reversing, euro has also started to reverse. Now, euro, in addition to dollar phenomena, meaning dollar strength globally, has also been plagued by the problems in the euro area, meaning, the Russian war leading to an energy crisis in the European zone, a lot of problems when it comes to economy, European economy, and so on. So all of these also contributed, and ECB, the European Central Bank, also is now starting to fight inflation, because everybody talks about dollar inflation, right? US inflation at 7-8% is very high, but imagine euro area is at 10%. So euro inflation is more than dollar inflation basically. So they are now starting to fight that inflation, which means how their economy will do well. So all of those concerns brought euro much weaker. It became much weaker than, let's say, dollar rupee did, because euro had its own problems. Now that dollar is reversing, obviously euro is also reversing because of the sharp move. And yesterday overnight, for example, the Federal Reserve's minutes of the meeting came, and which kind of ratified the optimism that the dollar, rather Federal Reserve, is going to hold or at least be less aggressive. So that made euro jump to 1.04, right? This is the background. Now, as a result, obviously euro INR, the behavior has been very different, because euro INR, the time in which euro depreciated is not the same time in which INR also depreciated. So while there has been some negation of the euro depreciation against dollar and dollar rupee depreciation against dollar, but not much. Hence, euro INR also fell a lot in this particular period, but it has also recovering, right, because of the euro dollar movement. Now, the point here is key point here is the move, the reversal that is happening right now is not specific to euro or GBP or JPY or any other currency. It is specific to dollar's strength overall, right? Now, as I said, euro itself is plagued. Eurozone inflation is super high. You have a problem in terms of GDP growth being very low. So all these problems also mean that euro, even if they want to, ECB wants to hike rates too much, that they'll be able to do as much as Federal Reserve did is the question. So euro, though, generally, if you observe euro, right? Euro actually follows a very, very big, long period of patterns. For example, a very big move happens from 1.15 to 0.95. Now it will reverse, but the point is the move is very big. It cannot be, it's not like dollar rupee where it moves 2 rupees, comes back 1 rupee. Euro generally follows a big trend. Now, the massive move which happened from 1.15 all the way to 0.95 was because Fed was much more aggressive. ECB was starting to be aggressive.